Okay, continuing on with the Grecian gods or Grecian gladiators, I decided to continue with this reference purely because I felt like I hadn't spent much time on the torso area instead of the face, so the head was completely missed out. It was just the jaw was maybe slightly put in, but that was about it. I each drawing was good speed and concentrated, as I said, on the torso instead of the head, and because of this I did see an improvement. I utilised the geometric and observational methods. I stayed away from the Loomis purely because I was not doing any heads or anything, so at the moment I've been using the Loomis method purely for heads and to get the structure and the head shape for heads, believe it or not. Don't know how many times I'm going to say head in one sentence. So the second one, I felt it was pretty much the same kind of results as the first one. However, I did manage to get the pecs a little bit better than the first one, and the left arm I felt was a wee bit better and more rounded at the shoulders, was better than the first one. This is going to be a really short video purely because the results are pretty much the same as all three, and I could see the improvements. This one was a little bit thicker in the torso, and I should have made the body go to the right a little bit, but yeah, I'm overall happy with the effects, and I managed to get the right angle for the arm as well, for the piece of cloth that was draped over this arm. I am really happy with how my drawings are progressing, especially in the fact I'm really utilising this learning method within the past couple of weeks, and because of this I am definitely seeing a rapid increase in better drawing, better skills. The level of drawing that I'm creating is becoming higher in my opinion. You might not think so, but I'm becoming more confident and sure of myself instead of being really doubtful essentially. So I highly recommend that you try this learning method as well. If you'd like me to further explain it, let me know and I shall do a separate video. If you can start a wee conversation in the comments below as well, that'd be awesome, and we can start a lovely wee community to support each other and keep each other motivated. As always, thanks guys, bye!